let us understand the effect. How rotor is rotating? For convenience, we can take that rotor is rotating in clockwise direction when seen from rear. Every time we will take it like this. How it will rotate if it is seen from front? If you see rotor from rear, if it is rotating clockwise, from front if you see it will rotate in anti-clockwise. That is the only difference. Twisting of the words is possible here. So rotor is rotating in clockwise when seen from rear. Omega is in forward direction. That's why this is omega. Now which motion we are giving? Pitching. Okay, pitching means you can see. Pitching means this motion. This is pitching. Okay. Now pitching either can be explained in terms of front down, rear up, or rear down, front up. Okay, how it is in this case? Pitching means what is the input? Pitching means input is omega or C. Pitching means omega, input is C. Couple is the input. So second input is couple. How it is acting? To make front end down. Okay, to make front end down, we have to apply couple like this. Have you understood? Yes. This is direction of C. So if C is along this direction, what will happen? Fingers are indicating direction of couple. So front will go down, rear will come up. That is pitching. Front down, rear up, pitching. Or rear down, front down is also pitching. But we have taken one of the possibilities. What is that one possibility? Front will go down, rear will come up. Okay, so couple will act like this. Okay, so omega is like this, couple is like this. As couple is input in this case, omega p will go up. So omega p up means now we have to see the effect. Omega p up. Align thumb with direction of omega p. Fingers will indicate direction of the effect. So how it is giving the effect? Now you can tell me what is the effect then. Omega p means precession, right? Omega p is precession. So precession is such that the ship will take left turn. So what is the effect? Because of pitching, the effect is steering. Have you understood? So you can see here spinning of rotor, omega p, output will be omega p which will act in upward direction, and because of this ship will turn towards left. Is it understood? Now if C is on the right side, couple is on the right side, couple is acting on this side, what will be the effect? That will also produce pitching or not? If couple is on the right side, that will also produce pitching. लेकिन pitching कैसे होगा? Pitching will be such that front will go up, rear will go down. Front up, rear down is also pitching, right? But if couple is on the right side, omega p will be down. If one vector changes the direction, other also has to change its direction. Is it clear? So if C is on the right side, omega p will be down. And now you tell me what is the effect? Omega p down. Omega p down. Omega p down means ship will take right. So in this case also steering will take place, but steering will be to the right. Is it clear? So in the statement it will be mentioned whether ship is taking left turn, right turn, whether pitching is with front up, right, rear down, or rear up, front down, like this. Okay. So accordingly you have to decide the directions of omega and C, and if omega and C are like this, omega p will be up. If omega and C on the other side, then direction of omega p will be down. Omega p down means again we have to align thumb with the direction of omega p, and that will produce steering effect, but steering will be to the right. Is it clear? So write down the effect. Effect will be turned to the left.